my Crunchified Clean friends, here are some tips on how to properly disinfect a toilet. I love to use Force of Nature. It's an EPA registered, certified, all-natural disinfectant. So whatever disinfectant you use, make sure it's safe on the surface and that you properly follow the dwell time. It's not just spray and wipe. You have to let it sit a few minutes so it can kill the germs and viruses and bacteria that you're looking to kill. So I spray the toilet everywhere with my Force of Nature. Everywhere, top, bottom, especially the handles. Let it sit, and then I wipe it off clean with a white cloth cotton towel because I do disinfect my white towels after cleaning toilets. So those are my tips. Stay Crunchified Clean.
Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. So feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any questions, or what else do you want to know about eco cleaning. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, love, follow along on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my website, TikTok, Clapper, and Instagram. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay Crunchified Clean. Peace.